Hello students, good morning. Our next part is that properties of multiplication of matrices. So properties of multiplication of matrices, in that we have some properties, where that first one is the associative law. So in the associative law we will be having three matrices. So A, B, C, where three matrices. See here, for any three matrices A, B, C, we have AB into C is equals to A into BC. This is what we call it as a associative law, which whenever both sides of equality are defined. So whenever you have three matrices A, B, C, for those matrices the associative law will be AB into C is equals to A into BC. That means both of them were equal to each other. AB into C is equal to A into BC, right? And next one is the distributive law. So here also three matrices were there, A, B, C. The distributive law says that A into B plus C is equals to AB plus AC. So A into B plus C, that means you have to multiply A inside the bracket for B and C. So plus is there, AB, that is AB plus AC, that is first, and A plus B into C. So C must be multiplied inside the bracket. So AC plus BC, AC plus BC, which is equals to A plus B into C. So these two are distributive law, where A into B plus C is equals to AB plus AC, and A plus B into C is equals to AC plus BC. And third one is the existence of multiplicative identity. So for every square matrix A, there exists an identity matrix of the same order. So for every square matrix means what? Having same order. That is, number of rows is equals to the number of columns. So for every square matrix A, there will be another one matrix which is identity matrix of the same order. Then AI is equals to IA is equals to A. That means I is an identity matrix. Whenever you multiply an identity matrix to the given matrix A, again you will get the result as the matrix A only, that is the given matrix, right? Once again, whenever you multiply the given matrix A to the identity matrix of the same order, then you must get the result as the given matrix only, that is given matrix is A here, right? That is what we call it as the existence of multiplicative identity. Consider one example. So if A is equals to, given matrix A is 1, 1, minus 1, 2, 0, 3, 3, minus 1, 2, and B is equals to 1, 3, 0, 2, minus 1, 4, and C is given that 1, 2, 3, minus 4, 2, 0, minus 2, and 1. So here three matrices were given, and they were asked us to find out A into BC, AB into C, and also to show that AB into C is equals to A into BC. So here you have to find out all these first, and then you have to show that the result AB into C is equals to A into BC. So firstly AB into C is there. Then what to find out first? AB. That is the product of two matrices A and B here. So take first AB is equals to, write down. So for the multiplication of two matrices, what is the condition? That you must look out to the number of columns is equals to the number of rows for two matrices. So for two matrices A, B, we want now the multiplication, and in A 1, 2, 3, 3 columns were there, and these three columns must be equals to what? 3 rows. In B, how many rows you have? 1, 2, 3. So totally number of columns in A is equals to the number of rows in B. Then you can go for the multiplication of two matrices. So write down 1, 1, minus 1, 2, 0, 3, 3 minus 1, 2 into the matrix B 1, 3, 0, 2, minus 1, 4. Right? Then the multiplication of these two. How you are going to take that one? First row, first column, first row, second column. Like that you have to take. So 1 into 1, it is 1 into 1 is 1 plus 1 into 0 is 0 plus minus 1 into minus 1, it is plus 1, and here we have plus 1. Right? Then first row, second column. 1 into 3, 3, 1 into 2, plus 2, minus 1 into 4, it is minus 4, and plus we have, so it is minus 4. Right? Then second row, first column. So 2 into 1, 2, plus 0 into 0, 0, plus 3 into minus 1, it is minus 3. Right? Then second row, second column. 2 into 3, 6, plus 0 into 2, 0, plus 3 into 4, 12, plus 12. Right? Then third row, first column, third row, second column. So 3 into 3, it is 3, plus minus 1 into 0. So it is 0 only. 0, and minus 2 into minus 1, it is minus 2. And third row, second column. So 3 into 3, 9, plus minus 1 into 2, it is minus 2. So here you have plus, so it will be minus 2. Then 2 into 4, it is 8, plus 8. Okay, then add all the terms and write A into B matrix. So AB matrix will be what? See here, 1 plus 0 plus 1 is 2. 3 plus 2 minus 4 is 1. 3 plus 2 is 5. Minus 4 is 1. 2 minus 3 is minus 1. 6 plus 12 is 18. 3 minus 2 is 1. 9 minus 2 is 7. 7 plus 8 is 15. Right? Then 2 minus 1. 2 minus 3 is minus 1. 6 plus 12 is 18. 3 minus 2 is 1. This is 15. So this is our A into B matrix. Then A into B matrix you got. In the result what we want? A into B into C. So for this AB already we have. So for AB you have to take multiplication of C, which gives the result AB into C. Right? So as you want AB into C. So see here AB, this one, AB into C. Already you got AB here. So write down AB. 1, 2, 1, minus 1, 1, 18 and 15. So it is AB, and C is what? Here it is given. Write down 1, 2, 3 minus 4 and 2, 0, minus 2, 1. 2, 0, minus 2, 1. So before going for the multiplication of two matrices, you must check equality of column and rows. So in the first matrix, how many columns were there? 2 columns were there, and in the second matrix you must be having 2 rows. So 2 rows were there. Then directly you can go for the multiplication of two matrices. So like this, first row, first column, first row, second column, first row, third column, and first row, fourth column. So go on writing the values of the matrix. See here, AB into C is equals to 2 into 1 it is 2 plus 1 into 2 it is 2. Once again I repeat, 2 into 1 2 plus 1 into 2 2. 2 plus 2, right? And first row, second column, 2 into 2 it is 4, 1 into 0 it is 0. So 4 plus 0. Okay? Then first row, third column, 2 into 3 it is 6, 1 into minus 2 it is minus 2. So 6 minus 2. Then first row, fourth column, 2 into minus 4 it is minus 8 plus 1 into 1 it is 1. So minus 8 plus 1. Next, so second row, first column, minus 1 into 1 it is minus 1 and 18 into 2 it is 36. So minus 1 plus 36. Then minus 1 into 2 it is minus 2, 18 into 0 it is 0. So minus 2 plus 0. Okay. Then minus 1 into 3 it is minus 3. Write minus 3 plus 18 into minus 2. So it is 18 into minus 2 is minus 36. So plus is there. So it is minus 36. Clear? Then minus 1 into minus 4 it is plus 4. 18 into 1 it is 18. So 4 plus 18. Alright. Then third row, first column, 1 into 1 it is 1 plus 15 into 2 it is 30. So 1 plus 30. And next 1 into 2 it is 2, 15 into 0 it is 0. So 2 plus 0. Then 1 into 3 it is 3, 15 into minus 2 it is minus 30. So 3 minus 30. Then 1 into 4 it is minus 4, 1 into minus 4 is there, so minus 4 and 15 into 1 is 15. So minus 4 plus 15. This is what? The matrix AB into C. So write down all the things. 2 plus 2 it is 4, 4 plus 0 4, 6 minus 2 4, minus 8 plus 1 is 7. Minus 7 and minus 1 plus 36 it is 35. Then minus 2, minus 3 minus 36 it is minus 39. 4 plus 18 it is 22. 1 plus 30 31. 2. 3 minus 30 it is minus 27 and 15 minus 4 it is 11. So this is the result for AB into C. Similarly, you have to get A into BC as the same result, whatever we got for AB into C. So let us first, what you have to take? First BC, that is the product of two matrices B and C. Then for that you have to multiply by the matrix A, right? So AB into C, you got the result as this matrix. So call it as equation 1. Then go for the next result. It is BC, that is you have to prove A into BC. So firstly you have to take B and C. BC it is. So to find out the product of two matrices or multiplication of two matrices, once again what you have to find out? Firstly you have to look out the number of columns must be equals to the number of rows in a two matrices. Right, then check here how many columns were there? 2 columns were there, and here how many rows were there? 2 rows were there. Then directly you can go for the multiplication of two matrices. So BC is equals to, how you can write? First row, first column, first row, second column, first row, third column, first row, fourth column, right? So 1 into 1 it is 1 plus 3 into 2 it is 6, and 1 into 2 2 plus 3 into 0 it is 0. 1 into 3 3 plus 3 into minus 2 it is minus 6. So plus into minus, minus 3 minus 6. 1 into minus 4 minus 4. 3 into 1 plus 3. So minus 4 plus 3, right? Then second row, first column. So 0 into 1 0. 2 into 2 4, that is plus 4. 0 into 2 0 plus 2 into 0 0. Okay. 0 into 3 0 plus 2 into minus 2 is there. So minus 4 plus into minus it is minus. So minus 4. 0 into minus 4 0. 2 into 1 2, that is plus 2. Then minus 1 into 1 it is minus 1. 4 into 2 it is 8 plus 8. Minus 1 into 2 it is minus 2. 4 into 0 0. Minus 1 into 3 minus 3. 4 into minus 2 it is minus 8. Minus 3 minus 8. Minus 1 into minus 4 it is minus into minus plus. So plus 4. 4 into 1 it is 4. So this is what? The matrix B into C. Then write down by adding all the terms what you get. 7. 2 plus 0 2. 3 minus 6 minus 3. Minus 4 plus 3 it is minus 1. 4 0 minus 4 2. Then 8 minus 1 7 minus 2 minus 11 and it is 8. So this is what our B into C. So BC we got. Then we want the result for what? A into BC. So A into BC is equals to, what is A? So A is 1 1 minus 1 2 0 3, 3 minus 1 2, and already we had written BC. So for this also you have to check in the first matrix number of columns and in the second matrix number of rows. So 1 2 3, 3 columns were there in matrix A, and in matrix B how many rows? We must get 3 rows. 1 2 3, 3 rows were there. Then directly you can go for the matrix multiplication. So 1 into, see here, first row first column, multiplication must be first row into first column. 1 into 7 7 plus 1 into 4 4 plus minus 1 into 7 is minus 7. So minus 7, right? Then first row second column. 1 into 2 is 2 plus 1 into 0 0 plus minus 1 into minus 2 it is plus 2. So plus 2. Then first row third column. 1 into minus 3 it is minus 3 plus 1 into minus 4 it is minus 4. Then minus 1 into minus 11 it is plus 11. Then first row fourth column. 1 into minus 1 it is minus 1 plus 1 into 2 it is 2. So next minus 1 into 8 it is minus 8. Similarly second row first column. 2 into 7 14 plus 0, that is 0 into 4 is 0 plus 7 into 3 it is 21. Okay. Then 2 into 2 4 plus 0 into 0, 0 plus 3 into minus 2 is minus 6. Then 2 into minus 3 it is minus 6. 0 into anything will be 0. 3 into minus 11 it is minus 33. Then 2 into minus 1 it is minus 2. Then 0 into 1 or 2 it is 0. 3 into 8 that is plus 24. Then third row into first, second, third and fourth column. So 3 into 7 21 minus 1 into 4 it is 4 plus 2 into 7 it is 14. Then 3 into 2 6 plus 0 minus 4. Then 3 into minus 3 it is minus 9. Minus into minus 1 into minus 4 it is plus 4. Then 2 into minus 11 that is minus 22. Then 3 into minus 1 minus 3 minus 2 plus 16. Okay. Then add all the terms. Plus 7 minus 7 gets cancelled. What we left with? 4. 2 plus 2 it is 4. And here minus 3 minus 7 it is, sorry, minus 3 minus 4 it is minus 7. Plus 11 will be what? 4. That is minus 7 plus 11, 4. And 8 minus 1 plus 2 minus 8 it is minus 7. Then 14 plus 21 it is 35. 4 minus 6 it is minus 2. Minus 6 minus 33 it is minus 39. Minus 2 plus 24 it is 22. Then here 21 minus 4 plus 14 it is 31. 6 minus 4 it is 2. Minus 9 plus 4 minus 22 it is minus 27. And minus 3 minus 2 plus 16. Minus 3 minus 2 is minus 5 plus 16. So 16 minus 5 is 11, right? Then call this as equation 2, which is the result for A into BC. So check out whether these two results were equal. That is, equation 1 and equation 2 must be equal. So AB into C is 4, 4, 4 minus 7, 4, 4, 4 minus 7, 35 minus 2 minus 39, 22. So the things are similar. That is, therefore, how you can write the result as? Therefore, from equation 1 and 2, from equation 1 and 2, AB into C is equals to A into BC, right? This is what the required result for the given example. That is, we have shown AB into C is equals to A into BC.